It's fucking next entertainment.
Yeah, me say bana ma feel I do. Oda beba na makumate. Me say minya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wane kumya humache. Inti ya nebra menchemba fema wape. Oda bana ma feel.
They're not going to go movement to say they won't come through. Because after 2025, me, I go jail range over. I go jail as also. The friends don't go get that better for. Where's the better for? And don't come out there and say you're coffee. Control that fire. Hi, we're gonna send we're gonna have to Yahweh. On the come, on the go. I say, oh Yahweh, I say, I will do what I will do. Baba, already me says, TV camera, I review the name of Akosua. Every day I walk to the valley of death way. I say I don't fear. Every day we just go. Hey! I said 2025. Why I want to talk about a movie? You might control. You control. JJ, I answer you. And I was and a papa telegraph against we have Buddhas, a telegraph, the hook was a Buddha. I was
wow.
Was a big fan. Go to that pie.
What's the booze?
Sika Buffy, Sika woman home.
What's in the life or the floor?
Go buy me a see how to talk to your mother. I see her. I don't go buy me clothes. You didn't do this.
Because I beg, make a carry you go.
Hey! You don't carry me go.
I don't carry you go.
Every house, every house. I go back here, every house. I go back here, every house. I see everyone go people. You ask me to go back here. I see you know here. Hey, every
beg, here be hall, you no go fit.
Hey, you don't touch it, yes, you don't touch it.
But I beg, you go inside. I beg.
I tell you that you have to go back. I will smash you with the water right now.
So you get where you wait to. So we come. Also, we can go cook.
Boss.
Hey! Boss! You party for here and you know even invite me.
Push forget. Look, carry and go inside the room. Fast.
It's fucking next entertainment.
Yeah, me say bana ma feel I do. Oda beba na makumate. Me say minya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wane kumya humache. Inti ya nebra menchemba fema no wape. Oda bana ma feel Oda wacho. Se wode manya na makuma tabeya. Me say bana ma feel Hey wacho. Se wode manya na makuma tabeya. So da ambi Adana chichere me. Inti ube jamia matafa besere me. My feet oda wu oda se unfair me. Sasem na uka treme no kana share me. Yeah, yeah, me uma shewo. Would me ya.
Khadija. Are you okay? Sorry, listen. Sorry, listen, what that then? I don't know why she said. Say malaria. Fuck it. The way I was sit down, I'm thinking so when you're okay. Why is she do? Sorry for that day. Why? For that day, what's now? Chupun. Ochina nyame aduma. Nsa adiasa. So ochina mo potututu. Dressing tell me from hospital. Why? But mo dey solve sorry. Right. Mo get to. What? Kono padade. Sorry padade.
It's fucking X Entertainment.
Yeah, me say bana ma feel I do.
Who is that? Who is that? You're welcome.
I need you in my room.
Your room?
I said I need you in my room now. Sis.
A definition of
Sis.
A noun is a name of a person. I'm in my place of peace.
Sis.
Now.
Sis, wait. Hey, what the mom? Did you such a bell? Why when you swear from my pampas? They call me sis again.
Please, madam.
What a stupid girl.
Please, madam, calm down. I thought you want a definition of a noun. Huh? I thought.
Sis.
Hello. Who are you? What is happening? Your sister is behaving strange. What is happening? What is happening unto she? Madam!
Sis.
She needs a definition of a noun. Say, I need you in my room.
Sis, wait. Sis.
Babe, what is it?
Sis, wait now. Wait now.
What is going on?
I know what's happening wrong. And then why were you so out of form? Stupid girl. Hey, you didn't hear her. Wait now. See someone papa. Is there anything you can do?
You called me now. I thought you need a definition of a noun.
Baby.
Now.
The Akosua, and I know say you don't get us.
You'll be confused like you don't get it.
You'll be confused. Yesterday she was throwing and feeling dizzy, so I decided to take her to hospital today. Guess what I found out?
What did you bring?
I buy you now, which you know. Oh, you know him.
Hi.
Oh, say, oh, Miss Hamson. Hey.
Khadija. Khadija.
To your youthful age. Huh?
Nah.
Small girl like you.
Hey. I'm talking. Do you have be careful. Respect, okay? Khadija, when did this start? Huh? So you are sincere.
Baby.
I was asking and
Asking. And to him, you didn't send a mark on. I know you.
I'm confused.
how can I know?
I'm confused. What are you trying to say? Hey, go to the point. Well, like, what?
Last time, baby, Benson said, I buy me Jack with you.
Uh-huh.
I went to the moon, send now to the moon some doors.
And what happened?
Like, what if you had a world view? And I saw the name Sabu Rabon and some was, and yes, I met Pierce Cradia and called the name Sabu Rabon. And at the end, let's say, what do you mean I show?
I swear to God.
Hi.
Akosua.
I swear to God.
Who saw almost show? One kind of crowd.
Akosua, you knew this.
One kind of crowd, and then your last day in this house. Both of you.
Madam,
I don't know anything, no, Koshi. So, maybe your girlfriend.
me, my girlfriend. Taking this, I would have taken you to my
Hey!
Taking this.
What's on your no casa? Hey! What's on your no? Hey, casa, yes, sir.
I can't take this. What you are wrong.
You are disgrace. You are disgrace to womanhood. You this girl. You whatever your name is. Khadija, whatever.
Hey, please.
You are.
Please.
Are you not to be ashamed?
I beg.
Koshevu.
For our village. Like you are suspecting me or you are putting it on me.
I'm confused here. Like someone talk to me. What is going on here? So meaning. Let's not.
When your wife is all the kind of crowd.
This is my car.
When your wife is all the kind of crowd.
This is my car.
What is good?
What wife? Eti wo no omo kasa oba wa nyim nanim ni kun omo kasa no timi kan ya so
Unim na do satia kire me so bioma obeti wa no so pa
omo kasa no nim nyansa so be ka kire omo say sabe
Khadija,
I don't know omo ya
calm down.
so Khadija.
Everybody
Hey! Shut
Oh,
Khadija. So fully grown woman like you trying to tell me that when you are pregnant and you don't know the man that you're pregnant with or what?
I know them.
You know the man.
You know the man.
Tell me.
then take us there. Wo ba wa nyim nanim be ma pro.
Hey.
Let me take you there.
Hey. You. Shut up. Khadija.
Blah.
Khadija, for the third time.
Yes.
Who owns this baby?
Sis.
I'm talking and you're still stuck. Who owns the baby?
Last boss. O brau pegar essa mulher. Let's go.
Okay. You
What?
you're fine. Yes.
I don't know why you should do it like that.
What's the chop too much? Guys.
But Lupus.
Tell me you're lying. It's true. It's true.
Khadija, so you slept with me without my notice? Like seriously? Huh, Khadija? So are you saying I own this baby?
Yes.
I'm the father of this baby.
Yes.
Without my notice. You see what I've been saying?
You shock me. I put my trust in you. They do this to me. Khadija, what am I to you? Sister. Oh, really? When you say me your sister? Really, did you hear that?
Yeah.
When you say me your sister? Khadija! Are you telling me something? No, you say me your sister.
She's a pregnant woman. Hey, we get you. She's a pregnant woman.
And before Assembly, I can say, the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. I thought she is the devil. I thought she is the one wanted my husband. No. Madam. Say you. I thought say my husband any faithful man. Say you no. Wona me de me wra show mu. Wo mom no why me say. Khadija.
So
Brefie has say. But na ha. Na she de koso wo me kunu ene me maybe ntamu no. Sabu who free on table, me kunu wa drink show with him. Khadija. And to me, she had the birth here and say, like, you are coming to snatch my husband. Michelle had the birth here.
Catherine.
Michelle had the birth here.
Catherine, so meaning you don't trust me or what? Huh? Catherine? We've been married for years now. And you brought someone to just to monitor me or what? Now see what you've caused. Huh? The evil man do follows them. You see your life now. She's pregnant for me now. So meaning somebody now say won't trust me an inch. I don't go from here and receive me. Me say won't me no monitor me housemaid house like seriously. Now see what you've caused.
I'm sorry. I don't mean all this thing. I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Me know what's na eba pempo ma me. Me know what's na several. Won't me point mama.
People already so Cassie and to your book.
Gentle for what? We're not growing, we are not growing younger, we are growing older. So it's a win. Me never about to say. Huh?
Me, I'm sorry, so when him send me to Rosso, and I'm in person Meluso. It's not me away, I'm so sorry.
Listen to yourself. Shall be? The ball lies in your court, right? May more 24 hours.
Sorry.
Either you leave or your sister leaves. Or both of you leave this house.
Maybe I can live without you.
I said 24 hours. I repeat.
Maybe I can live without you too. I was here, baby. I was here, baby.
Madam, don't cry.
Talk to my husband, okay?
Madam,
I don't want to lose him.
I will talk to him for you. Don't worry, I'll talk to him for you.
You see what you cause?
Please, madam, are we going to abort or
Yes, of course.
delivery or abort?
Yes, of course.
Why?
We will abort that thing.
Huh?
We will abort that thing inside you.
I insist.
No, sis, no.
I insist.
They say I give you 24 hours. You're not going to be in this house. Out!
Oh,
Hey! Want some name, come on. Out!
Baby,
Hey! Out! Out! Hey! Take this, come on. You're belonging and everything. Out! 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 Out!
Carry on, baby.
Come on! Out! Out! Take your things and leave. Come on.
Baby.
What is up?
Into your never chamber for my no happy. Other banana my fever. Other acho. Say what the man and I'm a come and tell me. They say banana my fever. Hey, wacho. Say what the man and I'm a come and tell me. So don't be late. Don't be late. My fever come out the other buffet man no cracker. But don't be late. Don't be late. I did miss you all the time. You go kill me, make I die. Eh? I done not cheering me. Until we be jam ya